Bakit? Because Pag-IBIG is not allowed by law to increase the interest rate above 2%. Hindi kagaya ng banks which don't have a ceiling on interest rate. Bare months na at hindi ka pa nakapag-invest. Mahalang interest rate sa bank. Pwede naman itong sa Pag-IBIG. So, Real Estate George here, a unit manager for Philippine Homes and a PRC accredited and DHSUD registered salesperson under license number 0021980. At ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang Pag-IBIG housing loan or more specifically, yung repricing period ito. And if hindi mo pa alam kung ano ba ang repricing period, this video is for you. But before we proceed, if you are new to this channel at hindi ka ba nakapag-subscribe, hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified for any future videos coming up from this channel. So sa mga hindi pa nakapag-housing loan, meron tayong tinatawag na repricing period. A repricing period, also referred to as a cycle tenor or fixing period, is the period for which the interest indicated will apply. After this period, interest rate will be adjusted or repriced. Pwede itong bumaba or tumaas depending on economic factors prevailing at the time of repricing. A repricing period can be as quick as 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, or as long as 30 years. So, hindi ibig sabihin na kapag nakakuha ka na ng loan na may 5% interest, ay ganyan na talaga ang interest. Hindi ito kagaya ng salary loan or calamity loan na may fixed interest for the whole duration of the loan period. If nag-avail ka ng 20-year housing loan na may 5-year repricing option, ibig sabihin ito na you will pay a fixed interest rate for the first 5 years lang. Pagkatapos ng 5 years, Pag-IBIG will evaluate and adjust interest rate based on the prevailing market conditions at ina-apply nito ang bagong interest rate sa babayaran mo. So, ano nga ba ang mas mabuti? Yung madalas na repricing or yung mas matagal na repricing period? So, ito, ipapakita ko muna sa iyo kung ano ang mga interest rate per repricing period sa Pag-IBIG. Now, this computation is from the 2020 rate, and after I verified with Pag-IBIG, I was advised that ito pa rin ang basihan sa interest rate until a new one comes. So if nag-loan ka at gusto mo repricing period ay 1 year, may interest rate ito na pinakamababa at 5.375%. Pagkatapos ng isang taon na ini-evaluate ng Pag-IBIG ang interest rate at mag-iiba na ito. Pwedeng bumaba or tumaas. But if you choose the 3-year repricing period, ang interest rate ay 6.125% lang at pagkatapos ng 3 taon ay mag-iiba na ito. Same goes for 5 years na may repricing period na 6.5%. 10 years at 7.1% and 15 years at 7.7%. If gusto mo ng 20-year repricing period ay may interest ito na 8.375. At if gusto mo ng 25-year repricing period ay mayroon itong interest rate na 1.25%. At yung pinakamatagal na 30 years ay may fixed interest rate na 9.7%. So bakit nga ba mababa if shorter lang yung term at mataas if matagal ang repricing period? It's all about protection and security. Kasi kahit low interest lang ang shorter period, ay madali naman itong maka-adjust kung ano ang dapat na interest rate on a given period. Hindi ito kagaya ng longer yung period, kaya mas mataas ito para kahit na gumanda ang market ay hindi ito malulugi. Ano nga ba ang repricing period na pipiliin mo? Remember, by choosing your repricing period, you get to protect yourself against fluctuations and also decide how long this protection will last. If you choose longer repricing period, you can better manage your finances. If alam mo kung magkano ang babayaran mo buwan-buwan, ay mas stable at alam mo how much yung ibabudget mo. May sense of security ka rin sa longer period. If sigurista ka, ayaw mo ng surprises at ayaw mong ma-high blood sa kakabantay ng market conditions. Protektado ka against fluctuations sa mas matagal na panahon. Kampante ka rin at nakaka-relax dahil alam mong kahit anong mangyayari, hindi mag-iiba ang interest rate mo. Only choose longer repricing period if you're confident about the country's economy and the stability of prevailing interest rate. If you choose shorter repricing period, mas flexible yung interest rate mo kung ano nga ba ang dapat na interest based on the current market conditions. If at the end of your repricing period and the market is good, your interest rate can be very good as well. Your monthly payments will be lower and more affordable. Choose shorter repricing period if you're 100% certain that interest rate will drop in the near future or when the market is down and interest rates are bound to get lower and lower. You can also potentially save more money on interest if you ride on the prevailing market economic conditions. Bakit? Because Pag-IBIG is not allowed by law to increase the interest rate above 2%. Hindi kagaya ng banks which don't have a ceiling on interest rate. In the end, the answer to your question still belongs to you and your financial capacity. Be a smart and responsible borrower lagi. So, there you have it, and I hope you learned something new. Once again, this is George Ryan Sarmago, Unit Manager from Philippine Homes. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay at home, and peace!